Hi there, I'm Matt Keene. Welcome to Creating a Future We Want. I love gardening. Probably one of the things that I like almost as much as creating the garden that I'm primarily responsible for is watching other people work on their garden. I'm just kidding. I like joining people when they're starting their garden, helping them get it going. We started with just an empty little, unused little, it wasn't a flower bed because there were no flowers, but it was a bed of some kind, a bed for leaves. It was a leaf bed. And now it's starting to take shape. Gonna have trellises and beans and squash and pumpkin and watermelon and tomatoes and all that good stuff. I'm not even kidding. I love working with people to start their garden for the season. There's something about it that's just, it's the beginning of something. The soil is still asleep even though it's 80 today in late February in eastern North Carolina. And to see my mom, my wife, making it happen while I'm over here talking with you, not making anything happen, just makes me happy. Man, if you can find a place to put a garden in, grow some food, build your own body, eat something nutritious, improve your health, honor the life that you are nurturing by turning some space that's nothing into a space that's a little something for everybody. Find a seed that reminds you of something that you ate when you were a child that has created a memory in you that you will never forget and is somehow a part of you and how you see the world. And then grow it. Thanks for visiting Creating a Future We Want. My mom's wondering what the heck I'm doing. I'm Matt Keene. Be good.